Well, first up, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in eastern Uttar Pradesh, living up to his promise of bringing the thrust of development to East India. During his Gorakhpur visit, the PM not only laid the foundation stone of a new AIIMS to bring the best possible super specialty healthcare to the region, he also initiated the revival of a Sikh fertilizer plant which had been under lockdown for the last 26 years. From creating jobs to enriching farmers' fields, the benefits will be multiple. Take a look.
Revival of a Sikh fertilizer plant initiated and foundation stone laid for a prestigious AIIMS. Prime Minister Narendra Modi came to Gorakhpur bearing gifts on Friday to give a thrust to development in the east of the country. The fertilizer plant had been lying idle for the past 26 years, and the beginning of its revival fulfills a long-pending demand of the region. The revived plant's production capacity will be 4 times higher than earlier. Once operational, it will meet fertilizer demand of farmers from Uttar Pradesh and other states.
हमने तय किया किसानों को जितना चाहिए उतना यूरिया देंगे, लेकिन कोशिश करेंगे कि पहले मेरे देश में जो कारखाने बंद पड़े हैं उनको चालू करेंगे। और ये सारा पूर्वी भारत में है, सिंदरी हो, बरौनी हो, गोरखपुर हो, यही इलाके के किसानों के साथ अन्याय हो रहा है।
The Union Cabinet has sanctioned a budget of 1,600 crore rupees for the plant's revival. GAIL will extend its Haldia-Jagdishpur pipeline to Gorakhpur at an estimated cost of 18,000 crore rupees for running the plant. The revived plant will produce 3,850 metric tons of urea per day. The production capacity of the plant previously was only around 950 metric tons a day. The urea plant's revival is considered to be the Modi government's biggest investment in eastern Uttar Pradesh. It was set up in 1969, but it was locked up on the 10th of June 1990 after a mishap, rendering thousands jobless. Now, the people of the region are full of enthusiasm at the prospect of the plant's revival, as it can give direct and indirect employment to thousands.
अन्य लोगों का जो रोजगार है वो रोजगार अपना खोल लेंगे, इसके अगल बगल बेरोजगार लोग अपना धंधा करके जीविकापार्जन कर लेंगे, इससे बहुत बड़ा लाभ मिलेगा।
फर्टिलाइजर फिर से चालू करने के लिए इन्होंने शिलान्यास किया, बहुत बहुत बधाई देते हैं पूर्वांचल की तरफ से।
The Prime Minister also laid the foundation stone for a new AIIMS in Gorakhpur. It is being made at an estimated cost of 1,011 crore rupees under the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana and is expected to benefit the region's people tremendously.
कितने बालक मौत के शरण हो गए, कितने बालक दिव्यांग हो गए। भाइयों बहनों, ये बचपन को मरने नहीं दिया जाएगा। यहाँ जो डॉक्टर तैयार होंगे उनकी उस पर मास्टरी होनी चाहिए, तब जाकर के यहाँ को बीमार लोगों को मदद मिलेगी।
The establishment of a new AIIMS will serve a dual purpose. It will provide super specialty healthcare to the ill while creating a large pool of doctors and health workers. It will have 750 beds and an emergency as well as Ayush sections. It will correct regional imbalances in the availability of affordable and reliable tertiary level healthcare. People from 14 districts of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar will not have to head to Delhi. Prime Minister Modi has always maintained that without the development of eastern India, the nation's development remains incomplete. Friday's initiatives can be seen as part of the process of taking the Ganges of development via UP and Bihar, extending up to West Bengal and the northeast. With Neeraj Singh and Ashutosh Shukla in Gorakhpur, Newsnight Desk, DD News.